Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Sarah who lived in a small town. Sarah was always fascinated by mysteries and the unknown. She would often spend hours reading books about unsolved crimes and paranormal activities. One day, Sarah decided to investigate a mysterious house that was rumored to be haunted. She had heard that many people who had gone into the house had never come out. As she was walking towards the house, she saw a man standing outside. He was tall and had piercing blue eyes. Sarah realized that he was the owner of the house. The man introduced himself as John and asked Sarah what she was doing there. Sarah told him that she was investigating the house and that she wanted to know more about it. John was impressed by Sarah's bravery and decided to show her around the house. As they were walking through the house, Sarah felt a strange presence around her. She felt as if someone was watching her. Suddenly, they heard a loud noise coming from upstairs. John told Sarah to stay where she was and went upstairs to investigate. Sarah waited for John to come back, but he didn't. She started feeling scared and decided to go upstairs to look for him. As she was walking up the stairs, she saw a shadow moving on the wall. She realized that someone or something was following her. She started running towards John's room, but the door was locked. She heard someone whispering from inside the room. It sounded like John's voice. Sarah realized that something was wrong. She kicked open the door and saw John lying on the floor. He was unconscious. Suddenly, she felt someone grab her from behind. She turned around and saw a woman dressed in black robes. The woman had long black hair and was carrying a knife. Sarah realized that she had stumbled upon something dangerous. She fought with all her might and finally defeated the woman. John woke up and thanked Sarah for saving his life. He told her that he had been investigating a group of people who were involved in illegal activities. Sarah realized that she had stumbled upon something big. She decided to help John in his investigation, and together they brought down the group of people who were involved in illegal activities. From that day on, Sarah became known as one of the greatest detectives in the land. She used her skills to solve many mysteries and help many people.